I entered the building, the first time I felt like a bird in the cage with the broken wings, broken heart, and a terrible mess in my head because of everything that was happening. And I left the university as a bird that can fly. I think the most important, the ability to dream again. Can you imagine the person that you think is a very simple thing to dream, what is there, but until that ability to dream is taken from you, you can't understand the meaning of that. That when you wake up and you don't think that I just want this weekend or next weekend or next year in future, I want this, even if it doesn't happen, but you still dream. But when I came to Cardiff Met, I couldn't dream. And when I left Cardiff Met, I can't say I left it, to be honest. When I stopped visiting Cardiff Met every week, I think I got at my ability to dream again.